Okay, let's move to the question number 5. The curve has the equation y is equals to 3 over 2x square minus 5. Find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point 2, comma 1. Giving your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c, where a, b, c are integers. To find the equation of the normal, we need a slope of normal and a point in normal line. Okay, so the point is already given. We need the slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is perpendicular to the slope of the tangent at this point. So we can find the slope of the tangent to the curve at this point. So first we find the slope of tangent. And the slope of tangent is equals to the derivative of the curve at the given point, which is 2 comma 1. So we need to find the derivative of the given curve, which is derivative of 3 over x 2x square minus 5 can be written as 3 times 2x square minus 5 whole power negative 1 with respect to dx. So 3 remains same. Derivative of 2x square minus 5 whole power negative 1 is negative 1 times 2x square minus 5 whole power negative 1 minus 1, and the derivative of the inner function, which is derivative of 2x square minus 5 with respect to dx. So dy over dx is equals to the negative 3 over, this one can be written as in denominator, which is 2x square minus 5 whole power 2. Now derivative of 2x square is 4x and derivative of constant is 0. So dy over dx is equals to the negative 12x over 2x square minus 5 whole square. This one is the derivative equation. We need to find the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent is equals to derivative at point 2 comma 1. So this one is equals to negative 12x over 2x square minus 5 whole square at x is equal to, x coordinate is 2. So further solving, we will have negative 12 times x means 12 times 2 over 2x means 2 square minus 5 whole square. So mt is equals to the negative 24 over 2 square is 4, 4 to the 8, 8 minus 5 is 3, so 3 square. So this one is equals to negative 24 over 9, and this one is equals to the negative 8 over 3, which is the slope of the tangent. And we know that slope of the normal is perpendicular to the slope of the tangent. So slope of normal times slope of tangent is equals to negative 1, because slope of tangent is perpendicular, this one is perpendicular sign to the slope of the normal. So slope of normal times slope of tangent is negative 8 over 3 is equals to negative 1. So m is equals to 3 over 8. This one is the slope of the normal. We have the point 2 comma 1. So we can use these information to find the equation of the normal. So by using slope point form, which is y minus y1 equals to the m slope time x minus x1, and in this case point is x1 and y1, which is given, which is 2 comma 1, and the slope is we just calculated, which is 3/8. So plugging these values, we will have y minus y1 means 1, which is equal to slope, which is 3/8, time x minus x1 means x minus 2. By cross multiplying, we will have 8y minus 8 equals to 3x minus 6. 3x minus 6, when we switch these term on the right side, it will be negative 8y plus 8 equal to 0. So we will have 3x minus 8y minus 6 plus 8 is plus 2 equal to 0. So this one is the required equation of the normal.